Hey guys, this is Nathalie Batres and I'm majoring in psychology pre-dent, and this is my public science research video. I wanted to show you guys a bit of what I learned this semester in lab. So in our lab notebooks, we write a reaction equation along with the reagent table, so that lists the molecular weight, density, moles, and the safety precautions of the chemicals that we used during that lab experiment. So turning the page, you will see that all students have to write a procedure and an observation, where the procedure writes down all the steps that we need to do in lab, and the observations are the things that we see that's worth taking note of during lab, and that includes the color of your mixture, how long you've been stirring for, if there were any accidents or spills. Those things are worth taking note of. Dr. Murray explains before our labs important things to take note of so that we can succeed in our experiments. So here's a video of the premises of our lab. As you can see, it's pretty spacious. So here I'm getting started on my first lab experiment, where I've stirred for 2 hours, and I get started on my extraction with ethyl acetate. Here I am separating the organic layer with the aqueous layer. It's really cool to see those two different layers. And I'm adding more ethyl acetate. Then I dry the organic layer with sodium sulfate. Then filter and rotovap. This is how it looks after rotovapping. This is put in high vacuum for 24 hours, and this is the IR. You want to make sure you know the weight of your products so you can find the percent yield. So here are a few things that I found very interesting in my lab. It was a crystal-like bottom, but then on the top it was yellow and grainy. I thought that was so cool. And yeah, thank you for joining me on my lab experience this semester.